because this is so common, so I'm going to write a that and that. Okay, so I now have a name property with a public getter that returns name and a private setter that sets name to value. Doesn't do anything special, doesn't do any validation whatsoever. But you'll want to do this a lot. It'll happen. There's a better way to write this code. I'm going to write a price property, but watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete the field. Then I'm going to say public decimal price get private set So what is going on right now? This syntax is new in C# 3. It's called the automatic property. An automatic property allows us to succinctly define a property that has no validation and it contains a backing field. But it does give us a lot of flexibility. For example, we can set the accessibility of our automatic setter or our automatic getter. So what do we have here? We have an automatic property. All this does, this syntax right here, it creates a property and a field. And then it wraps that field within this property using syntax very similar to what we have with name. Notice how I do not have a price field. Although I do have a name field because my name property is explicit, in this case I don't have a price field. That field is being generated magically by the compiler. I just wanted to introduce this syntax to people because you will see people using it. It's a very common bit of syntax. So I wanted to point that out for everyone.